What? Do you want to go outside? Are you ready to go outside? What? All right. All right, we're going to go. All right, in a minute. Sit in a minute. Yeah, we're going to go in a minute, okay? We have to wait for Avery. She's getting ready. I know.